After a good craw session.
Is that like a cry session for birds?
Yep.
I went out, I had a tub of ice cream and had myself a good craw.
Good craw! Okay, yeah, holding it does work. A lot easier. Alright.
You can do this.
I hope so.
I believe in you. There you go. You got the gist.
I got it, yeah. I have to press it after I hit the wall.
Wait, other way? Wall run?
Yeah, I think it is.
I think there's a ladder if you wall run around the other way.
Or...
I mean, that works too.
Probably not what I was supposed to do, but that works.
See, like, you could do this, or the other way had the ladder that you were like, where does this go?
And hey.
But hey, whatever's clever, you know?
Yep. Somehow, it all works out in the end. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-na-na.
Ba-da-ba-ba.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da.
I don't know why my brain went to the Mentos theme. They're like, Shabba-doo-wah.
That's an odd one to go to.
When life is getting to you.
Mentos sausage roll.
And your dad turned to sand. A mummy that is trying to kill you. Fresh tastes better. Fresh is better. Fresh tastes better with Mentos, fresh and full of life. The prince. He's dead.
Okay, that's not what I was supposed to do there.
No, you see that? Well, I'm pretty sure it's that dangly tree branch, right? Like, really looks like it.
Dang it.
I mean, I'm with you, man. I get ledge jumping. It's a hot commodity. It's a hot prop. I don't think that's the answer.
No, I think I'm stuck.
Well, how do you get up on a ledge?
Or,
The hell is that?
I think that's a slow motion thing.
Oh, kind of neat.
Ah!
Dope. Super awesome.
Oh,
Good
what
one,
the hell am I
Adam.
supposed to do there?
No, that didn't happen either.
I might have to just...
Hello.
I'm gonna have to get some help from the past.
Get a little smooch from Divine Lady Luck.
Oh.
Oh!
So there was enough to...
Never would have guessed.
I thought to do that, but it looked too far. I hate my doubt in myself so much right now.
I literally didn't even see another pole.
There isn't. You have to run up the wall. I heard you. Oh, yeah.
Adam! Adam!
I'm half tempted to just end it all right here.
I have sand. I'll just jump. Who needs to save Persia?
All right, come on, get over here. You know what? You know what this is, birdies. Come on,
I
come on.
don't think they did so.
Craw one. Come on, get down, get here.
Craw 2, the revenge of Craw. Ow. Ow. Yeah, get revenge.
Yeah.
Anthony, you need that sand. It's platforming sand.
Come on, hit me. And Farrah, please hit the bird.
Nah!
Are you getting hit by the birds too?
I can't imagine. She's an
What
NPC.
the fuck, man?
Come closer! Adam!
Okay, there you are.
Did you
Just use me as a target. I
You
get
shoot at me with your eyes closed!
I really gotta like sit down and actually watch that movie from start to finish one of these days.
iRobot?
Yeah.
I love it. People have said it's shit, and I don't understand why.
Yeah.
It's got some plot holes.
Well, of course.
Who cares? It's fun.
What movie doesn't have plot holes, honestly?
All of them. Yeah. I didn't mean every movie doesn't have them. I mean everyone does.
Yeah.
Look, a crack.
No shit. I never would have guessed. Look, crack.
You know what I will say? If you watch that movie, you will find it infuriating that Will Smith's character takes the time to put his beanie on, and every single time he makes sure that one of his ears is 20% covered by a hat.
Really?
One ear. Just a little bit.
Is that just
I
can't-
don't know why he does it,
Here I am.
but it's really distracting for some reason. You ready for this shit? Watch this one, Farrah. Yeah, first try. Never done that before. Wow.
Oh, I didn't even need to do that.
It actually kind of looked like you were about to die.
I probably just did it like right as I was gonna die. Wow.
I love the idea of doing a bunch of shit talk. I mean, like, yeah, first try. Check this out. Adam? Hello? Oh, fuck.
I think I broke my meter.
My knife.
Give it back,
My knife.
please. I
This
need
is-
it.
This is my knifeu.
But it's saved my life. Oh crap.
Why did...
What?
Well, you're fine. Just, like...
I don't. Ah!
This birdcage sucks. I'm just gonna say it.
I'm confused. What the fuck happened?
Why this can't be, like, over-the-shoulder camera angles, I'll never know.
I don't know. A little frustrating. A little annoying. I'm sad. But I'm Green Man now.
Adam!
What?
I found a rock. Is it helpful?
No.
Be sure. Oh, it's not a dangly branch. It's a...
Oh god damn it. Oh, that angle. That fucking angle.
Dude, the angle of that dangle is dicked.
Should I just leave her behind? No.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Because for some reason, she's essential.
She's good for a target. Probably.
I swear, if this is just an elevator...
It is. Oh. It isn't.
Adam, a door opened. I can't hear you! Do you see how high up I am? What?
So don't fall?
Well, it looked like dew fall.
I'm confused.
Is there a world in which falling would actually progress the story?
It's a Futurama game.
Dude, I haven't played that game in a long time.
Same.
Oh,
I only
that's
played it on
cool.
rental and I only got up to Leela's level.
Yeah, same. I got up to Lilo's level and it was like, there was like a puzzle that felt busted as fuck.
Yeah, I got to like a part where it just like sent continuous slew upon slew of enemy.
I didn't get there. I got to a point where it was a puzzle with like falling platforms into lava that insta-killed you.
Oh.
That game sounds like maybe it was a little buggy.
Yeah, most of them are.
Death, maybe. Oh, do you think this is a ladder? Yeah, it's a ladder.
So that's what that hole in the
Adam,
ground
a
was.
ladder came up! Yeah, I know!
We just said that.
Oh my god.
Oh, Farrah, why?
Adam, were you just hanging around this whole time? Come on, got work to do. got Slim Jim stuck in my
You
throat.
believe the rest of my tale until perhaps you will also believe me when I tell you that as we made our way through the moonlit room,
Yada yada yada. I
began
might
to
not
feel
believe you anyway.
strangely drawn to the girl whom I
Oh
saw.
my god, Farah,
My reason told me
driving
to
me fucking
distrust
nuts
her.
over here.
She had good cause to be. Yet she had proven herself a loyal.
She stole your kills.
I was grateful for someone who, like me, was flesh and blood.
Adam, should I shoot it? Adam!
Please,
Adam, are these dangerous?
please. Oh, for the love of God, please shoot it.
I can't reach it.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Adam, I can't reach it. I just wanted to let you know, reaching it is out of the question. Adam! Adam! It's dirty in here. Is there a broom? Something where you could
Shall I go on?
sweep up?
Now, where was I?
Just saying, some carpeting in here would go amiss.
Okay, that's a bit better. Okay,
Adam, I found a locked door.
Out of way. Okay, that my actual accent came out there.
You sound angry.
I'm not angry.
You see the crack in the wall behind the box, right?
What box?
The box behind, or between the two cells.
Oh,
Between the two cells.
yeah.
Between them. There you go. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I was thinking you saw something else. Oh, never mind. Okay. Okay, too high.
Oh, wall run.
Yep.
Adam! Shh! I think you have to run on the wall.
I know, woman.
Okay, have you tried running on the wall yet? Adam, the most amazing thing happened. The door opened. Did you see that?
Yeah, I totally did.
Who do you think did that?
Alright, there we go. Finally. Get in the hole.
Wonderful.
Yeah. You have use.
Hey, there's no door.
Stand on that pressure plate, will you?
And then there's a crack in the floor, so shut up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking there's a big pile of shut up.
Deuces!
Cat, what do I do now?
I don't know. Can't you crawl through a crack or something?
Yes, but still. Rude. Time level.
Ow!
Got jump
Alright,
those.
yeah. Damn it. Ugh. Oh, I'm very bad at this right now.
Adam, you doing okay?
Did I actually legit have to jump over that to clear it?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, crap. That's a waste. Whoa! Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Adam, I think there are spikes in there. It's just my intuition.
I'm not above hitting a woman! Okay, yeah, I gotta take this way.
Yep.
Oh, no.
That door closes. Adam, how's it going?
I just died! I'm bleeding!
No, no, no.
Alright.
So, the door.
I don't know.
Yeah, well.
Can't you crawl through a crack or something?
Ugh. Yeah, I think she did crawl through a crack and get to the other end. Man, if only I could do that.
Yeah, no, instead you're stuck with all this bullshit.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, yeah, that didn't work. Yeah, what I did was I stopped time. Or slowed it down.
Gotcha.
Ugh.
Oh, I see. The dodge and the jump are the same button.
Yeah. Oh, this game is stupid mean to me, Ben.
Yeah, I could tell. But very funny. Ow. Ow.
Ah.
It's weird that roll and jump are the same button.
Yeah.
Up.
And hey. Yeah, no shit.
Adam, I think the door is closing. Just
You know what? Fuck it!
Just get through it, yeah.
Oh!
Oh my god, I was waiting for you.
Oh, that was stressful. That was very stressful.
Adam.
No. No, Adam. Just 5 minutes, please. I almost died, okay?
I'm just thinking there was a crack in the
Oh.
wall. Wait. No. Wall run on the wall. The other way. See it?
Yeah.
Something over there.
I'll wait here.
No, you won't. Just gonna leave me alone. Stay there. Away from me.
Adam, I'm bored.
You'll be bored then.
Not very nice. Oh.
Wait, that's
I
not
would have
right.
maybe jumped a different direction.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but I mean, you know I have to give you shit. That's like my job.
Yeah, I know you do. If you don't, I'll get a big head.
There you go. And if your head's too big, you can't fit through the door, silly.
I'll wait here.
That was risky.
I knew what I was doing.
No, I know. But even when you know what you're doing, this game is not the kindest when it comes to precision platforming.
Yep.
Oh, look, a bird.
Fair. Oh, come on. I did not even see that. Okay. Oh, crap.
You're fine.
Come on. Get over here, little bastard.
Another bird.
Crow!
Birds are the best. Adam, I saw birds. What's happening?
You're not doing your job. Why aren't you shooting birds?
I didn't know I was supposed to. Somebody told me I had to shoot birds.
Okay, that forced me to do that.
That's fine. More sand. Maybe go with the... Oh, okay. Somebody's got those big daring britches. I think you're supposed to climb it.
Yeah, I guess. Yay. Climb the tree. Climb the tree, blanket.
Climb the tree, climb that tree, climb trees.
Climbing every tree.
Down.
Drinking the water. Holy shit, a
That
bird.
bird's like, what the fuck?
Ow!
What are you drinking my water for?
Out. Come on. You and your buddies, we're all gonna die.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, get your crow on. Ow.
They did.
Come on, crow.
How's it going, Adam?
Crow! I actually almost did fall.
It looks stressful.
Ah! Ah!
Is that time for an episode?
Ah! Oh! It's legit carrying me over the hill. Ah.
It doesn't seem like it's doing much damage to them when they hit you. I would block. Jeez.
See? They'll attack when I drink.
Oh, well, yeah, no, I figured they would.
Go on. Come on.
Adam, you should keep your throat out for a fight.
I needed some water. My throat was sore from all the crying.
From all the crowing.
Yes. You don't understand. When a man needs to cry. Oh.
In his heart of hearts. Wait, you did have to come up here?
Yeah.
This seemed like a very optional path.
I did have to come up there to do that.
Oh, shit. Shut my
Alright,
mouth. Looks like wall run. There's trees.
Yeah. Or... Yeah, wall run and then hit the tree.
Yeah, the grassy spot. Up, there you go.
Down I go. Too far down?
You'd think he'd still just hold on.
You think, but no.
What do I know, though? I'm not the Prince of Persia.
Oh my god, that actually hurt. Both physically, mentally, and...
Wall run.
Yeah. If ever there was a reason to have trust issues, this game was probably one of them.
I honestly don't remember which bridge segment it wanted you to fall down.
I think what it was a warning.
Oh, so do all that stuff you already did.
Oh.
Adam, I'm getting a vision.
What's that vision?
I think I know what you have to do.
What do I gotta do?
Did you already pull the crank?
Yes, I pulled the crank.
Okay, then I got nothing.